Dear students, today's topic is baking soda. Chemical formula of baking soda is NaHCO₃ and the chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Preparation of baking soda. Baking soda can be obtained by passing carbon dioxide gas and ammonia gas in aqueous sodium chloride. Now the properties of baking soda. It is a white crystalline solid. It is slightly soluble in water. Baking soda is alkaline in nature. The uses of baking soda are due to its basic nature, baking soda is used as an antacid to neutralize the excess acid of stomach. When baking soda comes in contact with an acid, a soapy froth is formed due to the formation of carbon dioxide, which can be used to extinguish fire. Baking soda can also be used to make baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. The purpose of tartaric acid in baking powder is to remove the bitter taste of baking soda. Baking soda reacts with tartaric acid to form carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas makes the breads and cakes soft and spongy. This is all about baking soda.